Hey YouTubers, it's DRDP1 and I got a volcano and I'm going to show you how it erupts. I already got everything inside. It's not really the baking soda or anything, it's different. So you see there's a bunch of stuff in there. I'm just going to take my syringe, suck up water, put it in the water, and watch the magic. Boom! Pretty cool, hey? I find it's awesome.
Save yourself!
Yeah. Volcano's gonna get you. Gonna get you. So, do you guys like that experiment? Oh, sorry, experiment, I guess. Sorry I haven't made videos in a while. I just didn't feel like it. I didn't like it, but I might make more videos now, or it's gonna stay the same. Sorry I haven't made videos. You know what I mean. I'm sorry. But I made this video for you, and that's all I want to show you. Okay, so goodbye, guys.